Hi everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, the Yellow Rose Craft Room. I have my Mayday Mayday Never Card When You Need One collab where you'd make 2 cards a week, and this is week 3 and I have my 2 cards. I was going to post this video yesterday but I just didn't get the time. My Cricut was moving extra slow and it took a lot longer than I needed, and then I had dog stuff and, well, you know, just life happened. So I couldn't get on to show this video. So here I am recording, and I want to show you the cards that I made. So this week I was on my computer and I was looking on my Cricut on Design Space, and I just typed in cards. And I was like, you know what? I've never done this from the Cricut before. I'm going to try it. So I made 2. So the first one I made is this one. It's a little happy birthday. And this is all the cardstock that I had cut. And it's basically just blue, turquoise. There's like a sky blue, green, orange, yellow, brown. And like this little off-white cardstock. And it basically just made a little happy birthday. That's so cute. And it's like a bunch of balloons. It just says Happy B-Day. Now my P kind of messed up a little bit, but unless you sit here and really stare at it, you really can't tell. I need to get something on the back that says handmade from the Yellow Rose Craft Room. I want to get a stamp made for that, but that's a work in progress. And then with the card came the envelope, and I thought this was so cute. And all I did was put some tacky glue on the sides. And when I mail it off, I could put some adhesive tape. And what I'm going to do, which they just arrived yesterday, I have me some gemstones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to gemstone right here. Just kind of put my own personal touch on it. So I just thought this card is super duper cute. It took about, well, between the cutting and the gluing, it took me almost 2 hours because my computer is in a whole nother room with my Cricut. So having to come back and forth, it just took a while. So my second one, this one took me a while to figure it out. And this just is an envelope I had, which fits perfectly. But this is like one of those tri-fold cards. And this is supposed to be like a fence with a butterfly, and it's supposed to open like this. But my stamp messed up, so I'm hoping to recover this part. I just wanted to get on and show you that I already made one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this part and start over, because if you can see, my stamp messed up on Celebration, and when I kept stamping it, the R and the A and the T would not stamp. So I had to go in there and write it, and it looks terrible. But I had to cut out each individual of these flowers. It took a while, and then I hot glued that on. Now this is not exactly like it was on the Cricut. I replaced them and I used different colors because this actually shows to be like a lightish blue card, and I liked this like seafoam green color. So it technically goes like this, and I might actually have some writing space in here so where I can write all over the back of it. I'm not really sure. So that includes my week 2, my collab of the Mayday Mayday Never Card When You Need One collab, week 3 with Tammy from My World in OKC and Jody from my Jody's Craft Room. And I am hopefully going to get started on week 4. So if everybody enjoyed this video, if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. I would love to have you enjoyed my craft room. So until next time, guys, have a great day.